Hello, today I'm in Mercedes C63. In this video I'll show you how to manage Linguatronic. In the beginning, let's take a look at the screen display and go to System. Enter Settings and go to Linguatronic. Now you can enable Disable Help window or start New Individualization.
Would you like more information before you start individualization? The purpose of individualization is to improve voice recognition by adapting Linguatronic individually to your. What would you like to individualize? Numbers or commands?
Commands.
Individualization will now be carried out for voice commands. You will now hear 25 commands, one after the other. Please repeat each command after the tone. Read out address book.
Read out address book.
Delete address book.
Delete address book.
Save name.
Save name.
Find name.
Find name.
Dial number.
Dial number.
Redial.
Redial.
CD player.
CD player.
Next track.
Next track.
Previous folder.
Previous folder.
Radio.
Radio.
Previous station.
Previous station.
Previous station.
Previous station.
FM.
FM.
Read out station list.
Read out station list.
Read out traffic messages.
Read out traffic messages.
Guidance instructions off.
Guidance instructions off.
Navigation.
Navigation.
Start route guidance.
Start route guidance.
Read out destination memory.
Read out destination memory.
Help telephone.
Help telephone.
Points of interest.
Points of interest.
Enter street.
Enter street.
Enter house number.
Enter house number.
Enter district.
Enter district.
Enter town.
Enter town.
Nearest filling station.
Nearest filling station.
The individualization of commands has been successfully completed. The data has been saved. Would you like to start the second part to individualize digits? Individualization will now be carried out for numbers. You will now hear 15 number sequences, one after the other. Please repeat each sequence after the tone. 0791.
0791.
3994.
3994.
0289.
0289.
5694.
5694.
2314.
2314.
9023.
9023.
7890.
7890.
9560.
9560.
2233.
2233.
0123.
0123.
5678.
5678.
3215.
3215.
3215.
3215.
9074.
9074.
1683.
1683.
7826.
7826.
Individualization has been successfully completed. The data has been saved.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.